Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart a Ruger 1022 Sporter. I bought this one back in 1989. Bought it new. The 1022 Ruger came out in 1964, and it's probably the most popular, most bought 22 long rifle ever made. This is semi-automatic. We're going to take it apart. Now first we want to drop our mag out. And we'll clear in a chamber. Most Rugers have got a front barrel band. This one doesn't have it. And we want to take our screw out. And you want to turn your safety to the center. Then you should be able to lift your stock off. And we want to let her bolt down. And you've got a bolt pin stop right here. You want to push it out. Should come out fairly easy. Falls out actually. And you've got two trigger housing pins you need to push out. Make sure your trigger group comes out. Now you've got to pull back on your charging handle, and you want to lift up on your bolt and down on your handle. That should lift right out. And there's your bolt face. And it'll rest on your pin like that. Everything looks pretty decent. Nothing wore. I'm going to put a little oil on this one before I reassemble it. That's all you need to disassemble on your Ruger. They don't recommend doing anything to your trigger group, but I'm sure a lot of people do. Just a little dab of oil, all it needs. Don't need much. And when you go to put this back, you got a little hole here, a little pin hole for your back of your rod, and your spring to go on. And you want to take a screwdriver hold down on your rod, Start your bolt, and it should snap into your charging handle. Make it click. We're going to go ahead and put our bolt stop back on. And sock with your bolt. Make sure it works freely. Now you want to reinstall your trigger group. Should drop right in. Make sure your safety's in the center. It should sit right down on there pretty easy. Make sure your safety's on. Then you want to dry fire it and make sure everything's good. We're in good shape. Hey guys, thanks for watching.